Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the GeForce NOW Error Code 0xC0F11153. The error reads, GeForce NOW, graphics system failure. We encountered a problem with the graphics system. This might be due to a recent driver update. Try relaunching GeForce NOW. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI-generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to launch or play games using GeForce NOW. According to our research, this error likely comes because of recent driver updates, apps creating overlays, or issues related to display connections. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your system. Also, check if your graphics drivers are up to date. If not, update them and then check for the error again. If the error still comes, then check if any updates are going on in the background. If so, then wait till they complete and try again. If the error still persists, then check if you have MSI Afterburner or RivaTuner running. In our research, these apps are known to create overlays that may prevent GeForce NOW from launching games. So close any such apps and check if this resolves the error. If you still get the error, then make sure the display you are using is connected to your dedicated GPU and not the integrated one. In one case, the error occurred when using a screen connected to Intel Z graphics. But when the user switched to a screen connected to RTX 4060, the error didn't occur. So check your display setup and see if the error still comes. At last, if the error still persists, then try changing your HDMI cable. In one case, switching from a faulty or low bandwidth HDMI cable fixed the issue even when using integrated graphics. So, change the HDMI cable and check if this helps with the error. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.